All right, here we go. Break number 2 of the night, our Prizm baseball hobby. $12 packs, 12 cards per pack, 3 autos per box on average. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. We got Joe Jackson, Johan Santana, Gino Grover, David Freese, J.D. Gonzalez, Mark McGuire, Francisco Villarreal on the red wave, Hurston Waldrop out of 199 on the blue. We got the silver Jacob Mezorowski, Bobby Richardson, Caden Grice, and Mason Wynn. We got Roman Anthony, Joe Mauer, Brett Lower, James Wood, Bryce Matthews, Edgar Martinez, Jay Buhner on the red wave. We got Yohandy Morales out of 199, 88 out of 199. Spencer Jones on the top tier, Brooks Robinson, Evan Carter rookie, Tommy Lasorda. Up next after this one is our 24 Topps Archives Collector Hobby Break PYT 101. That is coming up next. Tim Salmon, Rob Snelling, Eddie Murray, Jackie Robinson, Brock Vanderberg, Ruben Sierra, Walker Martin red wave. We got Nolan Ryan. This one is out of 499, 208 out of 499. Roderick Arias, Grant Taylor, Harry Ford, Roderick Arias. Alex Clemmy, Jordan Westberg rookie, Tony Gwynn, Owen White. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto. You do not have to be in the break to guess. So if you're watching, waiting on your break, or just watching in general, throw a guess out there. If you guess correctly, you get 20 in credit. There's Adam Dunn, Matt Shaw, silver Randy Johnson going to Seattle. David Freese. This will be out of 499 for the Cardinals. 182 out of 499. Kendall George, Prismatic, Cam Collier, Brock Porter, Chase Dolander. Rafael Palmeiro, Ricky Tiedemann, Ryan Braun, David Wright, Eric Gagne, Ty Cobb Silver, Cam Collier out of 499, 67 out of 499, going to the Reds. Juan Ben Choi, Starlin Caba, Bryce Eldridge, Junior Caminero rookie. Next pack. We'll top load what we have after this one. We do have spots left tonight. If anybody wants to grab them, use that link in the chat. Enrique Bradfield Jr., Leo DeVries, Jim Leland, Eric Davis, Kyle Teal, Lou Gehrig, silver Ricky Tiedemann for the Blue Jays. Red Kendall George out of 299. Chase Hampton, Tom Seaver, Andre Dawson, Gary Sheffield. Let's top load these. We got 6 packs left. We still haven't pulled an auto, so we should have 3 of our autos lurking. If any of those autos are replaced by Panini points, we will random those off to someone in the break. We got plenty of time. Get those guesses in. Let's give away 20 in credit in this break. Up next after this is our 24 Archives Baseball PYT 101. All right, here we go. Good luck. Spencer Jones, Alex Rodriguez, Harmon Killebrew, Dylan Cruz, Ilian Soto, Noble Meyer, Eric Davis, Andres Galarraga. 29 out of 99 going to the Rockies. Little team color match there. Rafi Velasquez, Andrew Jones, Drew Hackenberg, Jonathan Papelball. Dennis Eckersley, Adam Wainwright, Luis Taint, Roberto Clemente, Cool Papa Bell, Cade Kohler, Ryan Braun on the silver, another purple. This is Ryan Clifford. That's out of 99, 81 out of 99. Kemp Alderman on the hype. Miles Naylor, Jun Seok Shim, Ben Rice rookie. Cade Horton, Ron Guidry, River Ryan, Johnny Farmillo, Buster Posey, Nazan Zantello. We got Ben Kadrina. Let's go into the Royals. That's our first of what should be 3 autos. You still have time to get your guesses in for the player on the final auto of the break. Emmett Shaheen. 164 out of 499 for the Dodgers. Top tier junior Caminero rookie. Fergie Jenkins, Vladimir Guerrero, Mitch Jebb. Joe Carter, Homer Bush Jr., Thomas Sagis, Brock Wilken, Cole Carrig, Kobe Mayo, Luis Matos, sensational signatures for the Giants. Rafi Velasquez on the Red Wave. Felon Celestine. Jeff Bagwell. Lou Brock. Jose Reyes. Ryan Lasco. Dustin Harris. Jordan Lawler on the rookie. Dwight Gooden, Chase Davis, and Luis Leo DeVries on the auto. Prospect signatures. That's a big one for the Padres. That is out of 199. 62 out of 199. The young prospect for the Padres is the guess of the break in the auto. Braden Taylor. We have a gold Jackson Churio or orange. That's out of 49. 1 out of 49. We do have one pack left. It's possible we could get another. There's Heston on the Prismatic. Carlton Fisk. Bobby Witt Jr. Johnny Bench. Dylan Head. George Brett. Gary Carter. Juan Ben Choi. Craig Biggio. Tamar Johnson. Yu Min Lin. Jacob Wilson out of 299. Roman Anthony. Drew Gilbert. Jace Jung. Brendan Sparat. So that does it for the Prizm. We're going to top load, recap, then we'll move on to the Archives Baseball. We have 5 more breaks tonight. We got a couple basketball, a couple football left. We got the last of the baseball coming up next. All right, here's the recap. Andres Galarraga. 29 out of 99. Ryan Clifford on the purple. 81 out of 99. Emmett Shaheen out of 499. Jackson Churio out of 49. Jacob Wilson out of 299. Yoendry Morales out of 199. Nolan Orion out of 499. David Freese out of 499. Cam Collier out of 499. Kendall George out of 299. Hurston Waldrop out of 199. Ben Kudrana. That's for the Royals. Luis Matos for the Giants. And we have Leo DeVries on the prospect signatures out of 199. 62 out of 199. Yeah, we had a good amount. Top players on the numbered parallels, then plus all the silvers, red waves we'll top load before we ship. All right, that does it for this one. Let's update our title. We'll get to the Archives Baseball. Get your guesses in on the player on the last auto in this one.